welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Wambo, Gitatui, and if it's your first time stepping on my channel, you're most definitely welcome. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can view my previous videos as well. So yes, from the title below you can tell I did some little shopping of some makeup products and from KILIMALL. And yes, so this is really not an unboxing kind of like a video, but it's an unboxing. So here's my package. It's a little one, it wasn't that big, but of course, being the nosy me, I already opened it before. But so at the top is my name and everything like that, and where I'm gonna collect the products from, because I don't get my products delivered at my doorstep. I get them delivered at the pickup station, then I go there and pick them up myself. Yes. So then I'm gonna show you, I bought some products from KILIMALL, and here is the delivery note, and that's the number of the items that I ordered. So we're gonna jump right into the video, and I'm gonna show you all the products that I ordered. And yeah, so we're gonna start with what? Let's start with this one. This is a powder, a compressed powder. It's for Kaliwa powder in the shade number 3, and let's see how it looks like. So that's the packaging when you open it, and that's how it looks like from inside. And yes, so it's in the shade number 3, but that seems pretty light for a shade number 3, because they have 3 shades only. They have 1, 2 and 3, and this being the shade number 3, that means there are some ladies who can choose like the Kaliwa powders, because yes, because of the skin tone. So this being number 3, okay, it's good for me, but this being number 3, it's not so nice. Like they don't have a variety of shades for different women of different skin tones. That's what I'm saying. Then I ordered this Kaliwa loose powder, and it's in the shade number 2, and this is how it looks like from inside. That they have the name for Kaliwa face, and at the back they have indicated the number of the powder. So it's really small. Actually, I think this is really small when you compare with this Sasha Buttercup powder. Like, come on, it's way smaller, but for the price it's worth it. So that's how it looks like from the top. Wow, it's really cute. This is the buffing sponge for your face, and that's it. This one too, for the shade number 2 to look like this is too light, but for a setting powder for the concealer, it can work. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to open this with these nails, but anyway, I'm gonna do that later. So that's how it looks like. The packaging is really nice. I love it, but for the price too, I also love the fact that it's small. It doesn't matter. Then I bought these 3 lipsticks. They're all for Kaliwa lipsticks, and that's the shades. So I'm a bit mad about KILIMALL, cause okay, they had written like the numbers of the shadows. Yes, I ordered number 15, number 20, number 19. Yes, I did that. But how they were looking like on the picture, they didn't look like this. Okay, this one, yeah, it looked like this, the orange shade. I love it actually. But this purple, it wasn't purple. It looked like some maroonish. It looked like maroon to me. That's what it looked like. This one too, oh my god, I don't even know. This shade looked like it was red. Like it looked like red. Cause I was, in my mind, I was looking for some red, a red lipstick, maybe wine red, in the ranging between red. That's what I was looking for, and for an orange lipstick, and for a maroon lipstick. So they failed me with that. But anywho, this is how they look like. So I'm gonna open them, each of them. So this is the purple lipstick. This is the size of the lipstick. It's pretty nice, though it looks like it's a bit small. Let me compare with a lipstick that I have. I have this lipstick, and when you compare the two sizes, this one is larger than this one, but for the price too, you're gonna, it's okay for the price, but it's way smaller than I expected. Then we have this other one. Oh god, I can't even open this. So this is the other shade. It's embellishment, and this other one is amethyst. Amethyst is embellishment, and it's a nice nude. It's like the back. It looks more or less like my background. And anyway, yeah. Then we have this other one that I am in love with. I've always wanted to get like some bright lipstick on the orange side. This is in the shade Pumpkin number 19, and this is how it looks like. It's a very nice orange shade, and I'm in love with it, but I'm disappointed about this. I'm not even a fan of purple. Like, I don't love purple, but anyway, we're gonna make these things work. We're gonna try and come up with some ombre looks using this purple. Okay, I'm trying to make them. So that's how the lipsticks are. The packaging is really nice, and the smell, wow, it smells like caramel. No, it's like ice cream or yogurt, like something edible, something creamy and edible and sweet and nice. That's what they smell like. So I'm in love with them, but I don't love this one. But anyway, we're gonna make them work. Okay, then I bought this. Oh, I didn't tell you, this was from Nice Face. This from the brand is Nice Face, and they're so nice, and I love them. I tried this lipstick and it was really nice. So we bought this other one, Handayan. This company is, wow, okay. It's by Handayan. This is a gloss that I've always been looking for. I have nude glosses, like 2 of them. This is a nude gloss, and this is also a nude gloss, and I was looking for a pinkish gloss, and here we go. This one, it doesn't have a smell. I can't like tell what it smells like, but it's really nice. Yeah, it's really nice. Okay, the other product that I ordered is a mascara by KIBEST. It's a makeup line in, I guess, in Asia. Yeah, it's a makeup line in Asia, and this mascara is really nice. Actually, I used it. Let me come really close to you. I used it, and it's really nice. I love it. I love it. Okay, for me, when I'm buying a mascara, I look at the applicator, and if it looks like this, then it's a go. The other ones that are hairy, the ones that are hairy, they don't work for me. But these ones, the small applicator with plastic or whatever applicators, is really nice. I love this one. Then I bought this other Focallure eyeliner, and I used the two on my eyes. That's the eyeliner that I've used on my eyes. So this is the packaging. It looks like this, and here is the eyeliner. It's a pencil. It's a pen liner, and it's really nice and matte. Like, just that simple, and it's so nice. It's so nice. Okay, I also ordered this sponge. It's a beauty sponge. It was packaged like this, and let's open it and see how it looks like from the inside. It's really fast. So this is the sponge that I ordered. It's really soft, actually. I love it. It's a bit stiff though. Anyway, we're gonna see how it's gonna work. So this is the sponge that I ordered. it's only costed me, I think, 120 or 30 around that price. And that's all the products that I ordered. Here they are, all of them. They costed me, I think, 2,000 baht, or was it 1,800 something? That's how much they costed me. So this is all of them. So we're gonna arrange them like this. See all the products together. This is all of them, and I'm loving these products. I can't wait to use them. I'm gonna use them on my next video, all of them. And yes, so thanks guys for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video with your friends and all that stuff. So let me see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah.